Election by the 1st of November is physically possible, but it won't be a free and fair election. So when we say impossibility in this context, what we mean, not that it's physically impossible, but what we mean is that it is impossible to meet all three constitutional demands. And there is no reason why the deadline should win the day over the requirement of free, fair, and safe elections. So it is a relative impossibility. It is a value judgment, but it is one of the Constitution's own making. It sets those three requirements, and the conduct of the Commission must accommodate all three of those requirements and not merely one of them.
E ke engwe ya dingangisano tse di tlhagisitsweng ke Khomishine ya ditlhopo fa pele ga kgotlatshekelo e kwa godimo mo nageng. Gape Khomishine e lopile kgotlatshekelo go simolola tlhokomelo ya yona ya ka gale e tla laelang Khomishine go tlisa dipegelo tsa yona gangwe le gape. Fela Tengroef o ne a gadikiwa ka dipotso tsa gore ke goreng setheo seno se se nang le tshwanelo ya go diragatsa se se mo molaotheong se sa tseela morero ono kwa parlamenteng gona le go itlisa kwa kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo.
And this is my question and this is my concern, Mr. Tengroef. Why should this court be asked to do something which Parliament is expressly empowered to do, but on the Commission's version would probably not have done?
Makoko a dipolotiki a emanokeng IEC a ngangile ka gore go tshwara ditlhopho ka Diphalane go ka nna le ditlamorago tse di sa jeseng di welang mo tsamaisong ya ona go kgethiwa ga bontlhopheng. A mangwe a re ga a ne a kgona go dira matsholo a go ingokela batlhophi ka mokgwa wa mafaratlhatlha.
The process lasts many months and is extremely time consuming in the ordinary course. The ANC needs to select in excess of 10,000 candidates from 257 municipalities and nearly 4,500 wards. The selection process is arduous and it's crucial to protect, and this is a very important point that the ANC makes in its evidence.
What we propose, should that be the case, is that this court directs that the minister, the president, as well as the National Coronavirus Command Council amends the regulations, in the alternative pass new regulations that will allow for the process of party nomination lists.
Community immunity is actually something of a myth because with the vaccines that are being applied in this country, they don't stop people getting infected or transmitting the disease, they prevent serious illness. I raise this in the context of your point, which is not that we will have community immunity by a certain time, but simply that we'll have many million more people protected against serious illness.
Whatever the court does, it should not postpone the elections and it should dismiss the application because we say there's an easy option open to it again on the facts. That's hold the commission to its promise. It's repeatedly made that promise before Justice Moseneke. It's made it now in this case. It's made it in reply and it's made it through both of its counsel, Mr. Tengroef and Mr. Budlander, who repeatedly have told you that October is possible.